Adding cash coding in Xero can significantly streamline your accounting process, making it easier to categorize and track your transactions. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to add cash coding in Xero and what you need to know to get the most out of it, especially if you're new to the software. To get started, once you're logged into your Xero account, navigate to the Bank menu and select Bank Accounts. This will show you a list of all your connected bank accounts, which you can then reconcile with your Xero system. Once you're on the bank account page, you'll see an option to reconcile. This is where cash coding comes into play. Cash coding is a feature that allows you to quickly categorize and match transactions from your bank feed with existing accounts or items in Xero. It's a powerful tool, especially when you're working with a large volume of transactions and need to process them quickly. In this section, you'll see a column for cash coding, which lists all the transactions that need your attention. Here, you can easily mark each transaction with the appropriate account, tax rate, or tracking category. This process is crucial for ensuring that your financial reports are accurate and up to date. Let's dive into how to add the actual cash coding. Select a transaction from the list and Xero will show you the details. You'll see fields for account, tax rate, and tracking. For example, if the transaction is for a business expense like office supplies, you'll select the relevant expense account, apply the correct tax rate, and track it under the appropriate category if necessary. Xero makes it easy to apply these settings by offering auto-suggestions based on the transaction description, which speeds up the process. You can also assign multiple line items to a single transaction if needed. This is especially useful for split payments, where different parts of the transaction fall under different categories. Once you've assigned the correct categories, simply hit OK, and the transaction will be reconciled. This is an efficient way to ensure your books are always up to date without spending hours on manual data entry. For those who want even more efficiency, Xero allows you to set up bank rules. These rules can automate much of the categorization process, allowing you to set conditions based on transaction details. So Xero can automatically apply the correct cash coding without you needing to manually review each item. This is a huge time saver for businesses with repetitive transactions. The key takeaway here is that adding cash coding in Xero simplifies your bank reconciliation process. It helps save time, reduce errors, and keep your financial records accurate. Plus, with features like bank rules, you can automate much of this work, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. If you're interested in trying Xero for yourself, remember that you can use the software completely free, with an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. This is a great way to explore all of Xero's features, including cash coding, without any upfront costs. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add cash coding in Xero with ease and maximize its potential for your business. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to improve your accounting workflow, this simple but powerful feature can save you time and give you more control over your finances. Make sure to check out the free trial offer and start using Xero today.